guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I thought we could do something super funny, cool, I don't know. Yeah, I thought Davion could take over my vlog. He's here for spring break and we're just gonna like chill today. We have like, we might go to the beach, do other things that he's gonna tell you because he's vlogging today. So yeah, I'm just super excited to see how this turns out. I feel like it's gonna be really funny and like fun to watch. But yeah, let's go meet up with him.
All right, y'all, you guys asked and make it happen. I'm gonna do a little vlog today from my point of view with my beautiful girlfriend, and yeah, I'm gonna take y'all on this adventure with us.
I'm so excited.
What?
I'm excited.
Come on. All right, let's get it. So today, got a couple things planned for y'all. We're gonna go get our toes done.
Yay.
A little pedicure, a little self-care day, you know. And then, you know, probably grab some lunch maybe. And then, you know, we're gonna hit the beach.
Duh.
Chill on the beach because, you know, we're in beautiful South Florida.
Yeah.
It's awesome outside, great weather. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, y'all. Just pulled up to the spot. Salon Style Brazil. Get me and my lady cleaned up.
Nice.
All right, folks. So
That was a fail.
we are not getting pedicures from this place. We walked in.
What's up?
First of all, I'm not trying to do like a place review right now, but like I didn't see anywhere to get a pedicure. Like there's no station, no chair, no water, nothing.
Confused.
So I'm not sure what's going on here. She said come back 1 p.m. tomorrow. All right, y'all. Little update. Yeah, we're just gonna go to the beach. Probably come back tomorrow or something. These people, they're nice ladies, but they need to get their business together. And they get it together. But yeah, about to head to the beach.
We're gonna go to Publix.
Go to Publix first, grab some snacks or whatever, drinks, and yeah, continue the vibes for the day. So.
Spot you from a ways, my heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keep.
She was just complaining about me walking through the store because she's cold. And now she sees these cookies. Now she wants cookies.
Okay,
like,
now we can keep looking.
Woman, man.
What else do you want?
All right, y'all. Just secure that bag. Yeah, we about to hit the beach now. It looks real nice outside. Real nice, real Florida weather. It's going down. Walking to the beach right now. Already so antsy. Oh my god. It's like a kid.
Wait to go in the water.
She's like a kid in a candy store right now. Just won't stop. I feel her though. It's good vibes, you know? And there it is, folks. My backyard.
Pretty.
Look at her face. She's so happy. It's very calm today. It's very flat.
Alright guys, so I'm missing you guys a little too much, so I have to take over for a little. This is the setup. Yeah, our stuff is here, and Davion's putting sunscreen on. Shoddy. Oh yeah. Okay, also guys, can we please look at behind? Look at the water, guys. Look at the water. But yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures in this bikini, and then we're just probably gonna chill, eat some food, and good to go.
My girl wants to take pictures, so I'm gonna take some pictures from my girl. This is a little behind the scenes of an influencer's boyfriend. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. I used to suck at taking pictures. I think I got pretty good. Yeah. Let's get to it.
water.
Water? So pretty?
Yeah.
You're so pretty.
Guys, look at this water. Beautiful.
Ultimate vibes. Girls out there making TikToks in the water. Bust down this sub. I didn't even show y'all the setup. Umbrella, towel action. Got the snacks right here. Got the speaker going, some good reggae music. You know I'm Jamaican, so it's always a vibe. Happy camper. Just went in the water. It's very relaxing. Good vibes, my lady. You can't beat it. Look how cute she is. It's amazing.
Getting tired of the waiting. You gotta wake me. Open my eyes.
Alright folks, we are leaving the beach. A little too windy. This one's ready to go.
Fine.
Yeah. It was a good beach day. I'm about to go home.
Cause I'm feeling now we're fading.
Alright y'all. It's been fun with y'all today. You know, taking over the vlog. Hope to see y'all soon, you know. Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe.
You know, a little upset we didn't get to go get our toes done, but yeah. Yeah, it's alright though. We'll do another day. That's another vlog. And yeah.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, like and subscribe.
See you in the next one.
Okay. And yeah, see you in the next banger.